Guys, to my YouTube channel. If you're thinking of the best way to earn and make money from your YouTube videos, you are the right spot. So let's get started with the process on turning on monetization on your YouTube channel. So head over straight to your browser and go to studio.youtube.com and click on the monetization, and you can see this here. Just click on this and click on. So that's simple way to turn on the monetization on your YouTube channel. Then you go ahead to your ad, then click this on, make sure you tick everything or just come straight down. You can read through everything here and just click here and click on submit rating. So you've submitted rating for this. So once you've done this, you are actually done with the monetization process. So some people might not be seeing this feature there on your YouTube channel. That's because you've not gotten monetization. Let's go on how to get monetization. So head over to your Chrome browser and your YouTube Studio, get over to the end section, and you're going to see the policies and everything, the requirements for monetization. So this is the first stage of monetization. You have to get 500 subscribers rather, and also 3,000 watch hours. Then the main monetization, you have to get 1,000 subscribers and 4K watch hours. With consistency and being diligent, you are going to get this. So like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will be dropping more tips on how to get this fast.